This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Sweeney PLLC. Offering this fabulous attached maintenance-free attached villa in the Augusta Villas neighborhood of Plantation Golf and Country Club. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath, plus office model, features a completely updated kitchen with lighted tray ceiling and lots of storage and cabinetry. The patio is accessible from the kitchen for an outdoor living/dining area. Appliances new in 2017. The great room, light and bright, is 33 feet long with adequate space for a complete dining area along with a lovely living space. The screened lanai, off of the living room, with a serene water view, has lots of seating and dining space. The master bedroom is nicely updated, has a dressing area with its own vanity and walk-in closet and a separate full bath. The office, with a built-in L-shaped desk and plenty of workspace, is ideal for the work-from-home scenario. The guest bedroom has its own bath and 2 closets and adjoins the screened lanai. All solid surface floors throughout, no carpet. There is an attached laundry/storage room, with plenty of room for bicycles and beach supplies. Come and enjoy the best of the Florida lifestyle. Plantation Golf and Country, membership not required, offering a full-service restaurant, with live entertainment weekly, 2 18-hole golf courses, hosts the LPGA every fall, and has several levels of membership: social, tennis, sport and golf. For more information, review the details below.